Hi, good morning, and welcome to demo session of Azure Administration and Terraform course. So myself Nagarjuna Varlakonda, I have total 13 plus 13, 13 years of 13, yeah, IT experience. I am providing trainings from last 7 years on different domains, and especially automation section on clouds, AA part, Python, PowerShell. And this course main agenda is actually three things are there: Azure administration or Azure cloud generally, and Terraform. There is a one CI/CD tool also will added here. CI/CD tool also will added. When you learn Azure cloud perfectly, you will notice one requirement: CI/CD tool integration. But mainly you can see this is a end-to-end training of from this zero onwards. We have a training on Azure administration and Terraform. Yeah. Before going to see the content, I will explain to you about the course. This course purely designed for weekdays training, Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday is a every day, Monday to Friday. No sessions on weekends. And timings are fixed 9 to 10 p.m. IST. It is only one batch. There is no other batches, only one batch, 9 to 10 p.m. IST. It's a live timings. And we are going to use Zoom app for the live training. And after every live session, you will get daily recordings with a downloadable option. With a downloadable option, you will see that one. Right. So who are going to eligible for this one? Maybe you are previously working on different domain and cloud is completely new to you, completely new. You don't have any idea. You are working on any on-prem technologies, or your technology previously not integrated with any cloud. You are completely new to the cloud, but you are already good at your domain. Maybe example, you are very good at ServiceNow or SQL Server or Oracle DB. You are completely new to this one, but you are very good at your technology. Your technology means previously you have a 10 plus of IT experience on different domain. Especially students. Students mean those who are completed or pursuing your graduation. It is a very best thing to you how to start your journey. Even I will suggest Python also nowadays important. If you are a student, so plan for Python and OneCloud. Okay, this course is not related to anything Python, but for the student point, I am talking. That pursuing some graduation, yeah, don't miss this one. Or maybe you are a Linux admin, really you will enjoy inside of this. Or Windows admins, especially Windows admins are Windows related domain, maybe Windows admin or VMware, SharePoint, Office 365. Without single percent doubt, you can choose this path. Without single 1% doubt, you can choose this one. Why? Because their own tool, our own cloud, Microsoft own cloud. Yeah, I mean you're planning from you're switching from non-domain to sorry, a non-IT to IT, non-IT to IT, or switching to IT point. This is the first path you have to select. Remember why this is only this training is special means I am going to teach you from the scratch to complete advanced level. That is the one thing. This is a why my training is very I mean having good name till today, scratch to advanced. And second one, here to start the cloud directly day one, if you learn the cloud, that is useless. For that, two things are important: Linux commands And second one is the networking basics. When you know, even you are planning for any technology, these, especially in the area, these two things are mandatory. Even if you are planning for somewhere also, you have to do these two activities. Before selecting the cloud, you are coming from any domain. I'm not talking about I'm a student, I'm an admin or some XYZ technology. You are belongs to any technology, doesn't matter. Remember, this is the thing you have to learn. Really, these two are important. Otherwise, you will face lot of issues in the Azure cloud. The thing is, here I included the two parts in our. If you see the course content, here Linux administration, even networking, you will see at the virtual networking. Here you will see these two basics, strong basics. Whatever I'm written here on the screen, Linux basics and networking basics. Initially, I will cover. Example, not example. Azure training mostly you have 50 hours. Terraform will take Terraform training will take 15 to 20 hours. So approximately 65 to 70 hours will come. Apart from this one, I need extra 10 hours. Extra, apart from this above. This is your actual training. But I am taking first 10 hours, day 1 to day 10. So for the Linux and networking only. These two things I will cover first, then only I will jump to the actual training. So initially our training going to start from the Linux basics only. And to this practice, definitely you have to create an account from your side. From my end, I'm not going to provide any subscription. You have to create an account. An account you have to create from your side. Even I will provide the steps how to create it. It is very easy. And it is a free also. First month it is completely free to you. Second month, third month, mostly 500. I mean, less than 1000, you're going to learn complete Azure Cloud and Terraform. First month, anyhow, it is free only. And second month, maximum you will get 500 bill per month, 1 month. As per my instructions, if you follow, you will get 500. And 3 months course, mostly it's a 3 months course. Mostly it is a 3 months course only. Even timings are fixed, it never changes. 9 to 10 p.m. Yeah, the first thing is, yeah, definitely without this we cannot move. First, I will start Linux. 70 commands will be added here. You are in zero also in this area. You are going to learn first Linux 70 commands and networking basics. Networking basics you are going to learn like a school style. Similar to a school child, you are going to learn this area. So then after I will come to actual course. This is the actual course content. The first one is a virtual networking. Like nothing but why everyone moving to the cloud? Already it is too late. It is a too late. We are getting the subject very too late. So now everyone moving to cloud. Why? Because if you take on-prem or a office data center, so many things the office only need to manage. Like room, electricity, cooling options, AC, and physical racks or servers, and cable connection, and to manage this one employees, everything that company itself have to manage. The company itself has to manage it. Definitely, so many hardware failures will come, natural calamities or earthquake, any reason, maybe this may be down. Even now, previously 2004 to 9, okay, 2010 before, what they did, they are maintaining one more data center for the replication purpose. or failover or second data center, different names they are maintaining. Otherwise, keeping the data inside of the storage devices. But now this trend completely gone. Now easiness came. Azure or AWS or GCP over the globe. Remember, your any cloud you can take it over the globe. Over the globe. I mean, across the all countries are. If you take our third planet, Earth is there, na? On Earth, Microsoft or even any cloud you can take it. Azure's global infrastructure. Yeah, wonderful thing it is. Microsoft. Yeah, one second. Sorry, this is wrong option. You can see the massive, not massive, the reality. It is a. This is a white lines. It is just lines are there. Na? This is a Microsoft own fiber cable across different data centers. Some lines are there, circles are there. These are the Microsoft own implementation. You can see, you know, geo fiber connection. Fiber connection means fiber. Fiber connection means one cable will come from the mobile network provider to your home. Like how the electricity is there, electricity connection, it is not coming in the air. One dedicated cable is available to you, your home to nearest hub. Hub otherwise a transformer. Similarly, Microsoft having their own fiber cable across the globe and different regions, different. See, these circles are nothing but we can call as a their actually region is a correct word, but presently we can call data centers. Their own data centers are available here. Their own data centers are there. Some edge locations came and point of presences are came. Wonderful, really wonderful things are coming. See, you can see the magic. Even one data center fail, we can maintain our data in another region. Simply what they are saying that you don't worry, man. Company, I mean, for example, one client is asking, you don't worry about the infrastructure. We are providing the infrastructure, hardware, networking, everything. Just come and use it. For that, pay how much you are using. For that, you can pay and go. If you are not using, you don't need to pay that one. Okay, the terminology is different. I'm not moving inside of the Azure terminology. What is availability zone and data center paired regions, but you can see the logic how the implementation is coming in the market. Even same point, AWS also competition there is there, but Microsoft having definitely some edge. Already they are in this area. I mean, they're having their own native tools like VMware is there, Windows servers are there. Yeah, SharePoint, Office 365. Till today, Active Directory is a market leader for the authentication and authorization. So many organizations using for single sign-on purpose, SSO, Active Directory only. Definitely. We are not interested to use Linux operating system. We are very good at graphical user interface. Everything we need image. But if we give one ask, like I'm giving to you, CMD, please play one song means we are not interested. Why? Because we are very habituated to double click, right click, play like that only. Yeah, that is everyone habituated to Windows platform. But security point, Windows having lot of issues. Patches point. So you are good at only Windows, really not sufficient. And also clouds now providing different type of cloud services also. PaaS, SaaS, IaaS. They are providing infrastructure. See, what the cloud vendor is telling that, no, you don't worry. We are going to provide to you your hardware. Hardware we will provide, and come and select your operating system, install your application, and store your data. The hardware is managed by cloud vendor only. This is a one plan. Second plan, you no need to worry about it. We will manage hardware, operating system also we are going to manage. Someone is coming, we are going to manage these three. Nothing but infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Your Office 365 today you are using in this section only. Yeah, when the client point options are increasing, definitely jobs are decreasing only. If everything provided by cloud vendor, normal jobs are really not available to you. But data center also required employees. Don't worry about it. They are ready to invest more amount here. As a client, I need services. I will get that. Even today, one server is there. This is having 20 GB. Within fraction of seconds, I can increase my machine RAM without purchasing that RAM hardware. Just I need to pay the extra amount for that. Even if I don't want, I can decrease that. Cloud vendor is simply providing to you the required things over the internet. Over the internet, they are providing the required services. Just pay for that using. So the strongest foundation in this training is, first of all, networking is the biggest topic. Almost we are going to spend 30 hours on the networking only. So networking means, again, what is a, first of all, networking basics will come. What is a virtual network? Like your on-prem network, and inside subnets. And next one is a peering connection. Peering connection, how to communicate two networks with help of the private IPs and NAT gateways and hub and spoke nature and virtual network gateway to communicate with other cloud. Here I will show you AWS cloud also in this training. Security groups, I mean firewalls, and especially route tables, UDR will come here. The major components I'm writing here. Major components I'm writing in the networking. And second one is the virtual machines, servers. In this section, what is a VM and what is a data disk to partition, how to format it. One server is running, but server is unable to up. How to restore the server by serial console is there. Maybe hardware failure is there. How to resolve the issues, and what is the size? VM size option is there. VM size and creation of our own image, load balancer, especially auto scaling group concept is there here. That is only we can call VMSS. Auto scaling groups concept is available here. VMSS, virtual machine scale set. And third one is we are going to see the storage service. So again, storage service, nothing but your Google Drive. What is a container file share, and in the container blobs, table and queue will available, but this is mostly used in the DevOps section. Four type of categories are there. And backup and recovery, DR we can call. How to take the backup from on-prem servers. And what is the landing zones? Important one now, it is important in the current market. Next biggest concept here is Active Directory is a one more big concept. Authentication purpose. What is the Entra ID, tenant ID, subscription, default directory. And majorly app service. Here I will explain to you even CI/CD tool also. Azure pipelines. App service, nothing but web application purpose. We can directly use this one. Yeah. Automation point, Azure automation account will come. This is I'm writing directly main names only. If you go to the content wise, you can see the same thing only here. About cloud pricing. Yeah. First one, this is the first module I'm going to cover. Certification purpose only inside of this, a 30% content is enough. But mostly you will see complete real-time examples in this training. Completely lab oriented only available here with the issues. Yeah, I said just security group, point to site, like gateways, VPN peering, gateway connections. Yeah, these all are networking only. Load balancer, type of load balancers, internal and external. There are totally four types of load balancers are available. Azure normal load balancer, application gateway load balancer, traffic manager, front door. There are total four type of load balancers are there. Almost this part only will take half of the training. Next, storage related one. And this is a VMSS. I just said na VMSS auto scaling group. ARM templates is there, but more than this one, I added Terraform. Mostly Terraform you can see outside or anywhere. It is even in the internal training also. Maximum 3 hours, 4 hours. But here only Terraform I am going to teach you almost 18 hours content. 18 hours content only for Terraform. You can see like this one. Just I am going to show you one current batch Terraform. Like it's the 16th session is going on. Almost we are going to use only Terraform. So just I'm playing to you one of the existing completed video. So it's a live training. Just I'm showing to you one example how the training is going to move. Yes, and yeah, we have to create an account after that. Even if I can create magics in this portal, but need some idea on this one. Even we can create multiple. Even I will also teach you inside of this PowerShell also. Like, see, with single steps, I will also cover the PowerShell here also. Don't worry. PowerShell related commands also. Not only portal. Portal is very simple. If you want to create something, one container, just come to here and create some name. That's all. 1 second is enough. You can see it is taking small time. Wait, not yet created. The same thing I can create if I know. That's all. I created one resource group. Test is there na? Now ABC also going to come within seconds. Yes, completed. But portal is not updated. It is completed. Portal is not updated. Everyone required CLI only. CLI PowerShell commands also I'm going to use. See, same thing ABC is I use. It's a cloud itself is available. We no need to think about somewhere. Everything is readily available to you in the portal. But understanding the portal, how many different services we have. So what are the all services we have? Almost 200 services are there. Are not related to everything for us. Some are related to database. Yeah. General related ones, hybrid. Yeah, categories are available. And especially you will enjoy after learning the complete Azure administration part. Terraform you will enjoy a lot. It is only Terraform 15 to 20 hours. 18 hours generally will come, but depending on the questions, it will increase. Yeah, this is about simply about the course. And majorly, first we are landing into the first service virtual network. In the Azure itself, we have one service is there. networking related. Just to type network, virtual, networks, virtual, networks. Yeah, this is all. See, all networks. I used all these word network. I used NAGAA. I used NIC card, like LAN card, security groups, subcategory of application security group. Just word. I will 1 second. Yeah, I will show you something Azure part. Just wait. So your training is this is the last batch information. This your training is going to move in the live. After live, you will get the daily recording in this way. Initially, Linux basics, completely Linux basics, 9 hours. Then networking basics, 3 to 4 hours maximum, but you will enjoy like you will remember your school days in this section. And this is a Azure admin part. Almost 58 hours came here. Here you can see started from the networking almost, yeah, 1 second. 23 hours completely for the networking only. Randomly, I'm playing any one of them. Really, I'm not sure which session you are going to see. Yeah, this is a one session live. The live I forwarded to you after live as a recorded video. So with the diagrams, you will get good clarity. Yeah, fine. This is about the course information and about the fees payments. So you can use my number. This is a permanent number. You can use either directly this number or you can use QR or account. Any one of them. His fees is one-time payment. It's a 5,000. There is no installment option. And directly session one will be started from the next Monday. So today is the 5th, na? 13th onwards, we have a regular sessions from night 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Night 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. This is a live training hours. In this week, I am going to take the admissions. I mean, nothing but your registrations. Once if you are completed your payment, please share the screenshot to same number. I will add your number to the group. I will add to one WhatsApp group will be created. There I will add your number to the group. Yeah. This is from my end. You have any questions, please you can ask.
Hi Naga, Sandeep this side.
Yeah, Sandeep.
So will this course covers which Microsoft certificates?
104 purely.
Okay. And what about security?
Security not included. Security AZ 500 is now different. After this, you can plan for 500.
Okay. And what about practice sessions? Like, will we have a any Microsoft direct link to practice it, or how this will be like?
I mean, you are asking about lab?
Yep.
No, you have to create account from your side only.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.